our way. We get ready to do some coronavirus shopping. You know the coronavirus is out here. Everybody's in the market, so we get ready to get out here early and get our what they call it, a haul, grocery haul, stock up, make sure in case anything go down, emergency, they shut everybody down. We have to stay in the house. We're gonna have everything we need. You think it's gonna be crowded out there today, right? You think it's gonna be real crowded on the streets?
I don't know.
You think we ready?
You know this tax season.
Oh yeah, I forgot about tax season too.
I think the coronavirus was a setup to have people spend their tax money.
The tax money?
Yeah.
It don't have nothing to do with the election or nothing like that?
Maybe that too.
But we gotta get out here and get stocked up regardless of whatever they do. We gotta make sure we can stay cooped up. What it's gonna be like when you have to be cooped up in the house with me for a month or 2 months and can't even leave. How you gonna feel about that?
Oh hell no!
I'm gonna be so happy.
Oh yeah, you gonna be cooped up with me for 2 months? Not eating what?
You my baby.
Ah, yeah, that's what I'm talking about. Let's get it. We'll hit back with you guys.
20 minutes later.
Man, look at Sam's Club. They're going crazy down there. They wrapped around the building down there. Yeah. Sam's Club going crazy. Look at you guys. Look. They wrapped around the building at Sam's Club. Hey, you guys. We just rolling through Sam's Club, and this is crazy. Look, we got the line went down a little bit. It's crazy.
It went down a lot. I think you got a picture though, don't you?
Did they just open up?
Yeah.
Crazy. People standing outside Sam's Club, going crazy. Just waiting to get into Sam's Club. Look at this, guys.
Wait, he was just over at the other store.
Yeah, that's Snaggletooth. Guys, we up in the Sam's Club. We're doing some coronavirus shopping. This place is crazy. It's loaded with people. They trying to get all these stuff. So we in here right now trying to get all our stuff to get ready for this coronavirus. So don't tell nobody we up in here. Everybody going crazy. Look at all these people over here. Look, boom. Got all types of people in here. Coronavirus shopping. Trying to stock up toilet paper. Everything's going crazy. I get back with y'all. You gotta keep it on the low. Keep it on the low. Don't tell nobody. Keep it on the low.
Every 3 is $5. Which one you want? You say you get the $15 one?
No, get the one you want. Oh, that one got 4 in it, right?
Oh, this one is a mixed one. This got 2 contents.
Yeah, get that one.
Good.
So much to choose from.
Oh, this got 3 different scents in it. Look at you with your bad self. You want to sniff?
No, just get that.
I ain't never seen it with 3 colors in it before.
Yep, right there. 3 different scents.
Do that one got 3 different?
Well, that's $15 though.
Yeah.
Look, you guys. These are cinnamon buns right here. See these right here? See, you got the icing on them. See, right? Now, every time you get cinnamon buns, you get them just like that.
What's going to happen is you're going to start getting spoiled and you're just going to have to get your own stuff.
No, this is good stuff right here. This is the place. Oh, man.
Oh, you know what? We need the other, these.
What you got? We are back. Look at all the stuff we got for our coronavirus shopping. We had to go out, hit the market real heavy in case we get quarantined in here, in case they quarantine the whole world, whole country in. We gotta have our stockpile. We got all kinds of stuff. Look at all this stuff we got here. Milk, ketchup, orange juice, coffee. You know I had to get the shaving cream. I can't be looking like rough man Jack in here. We got our medium cooked shrimp. We got some peanut butter cookies here. We got some Jimmy Dean turkey sausages, some flounder, some spirals. We also got some beef smoked sausage, popcorn shrimp. We got some garlic chicken here, chicken breast tenders, trash bags to put all our trash in. No, we gotta have cinnamon buns right there. Tuna fish. Look at all this stuff. We got more stuff over here. I can't believe it. Look at all the stuff we got. We got cereal right here. We got chips, laundry detergent, some Dr. Pepper, whole bunch of bread. And we got more stuff here. I gotta give a special shout out to my wife Crystal. She did her thing. She put it all together. She organized it. Anything you want to say to the people about the coronavirus haul we just did at Sam's Club? Was it crowded in Sam's Club where you went?
It was crazy in Sam's Club.
It was real crazy. People all over the place.
They were disrespectful in Sam's Club.
It was even what, like 30 people in line before they even opened up?
Yep. And with their list. And everybody had toilet paper and paper towels.
What? Everybody getting toilet paper and paper towel.
Would
We already got our toilet paper
Did
here.
they-
That's why you don't see it here.
Is they gonna eat toilet paper and paper towels? Would it get left?
If it get crazy, they might. You know what I mean? But look, this is our haul, guys. Make sure you guys go out, do y'all coronavirus shopping. Make sure y'all get everything y'all need. This is what we just bought to add to what we already had. Oh yeah, make sure y'all got some air fresheners. Oh man.
Later that same evening.
Hey man, look, it's crazy out here, man. We was out in it, earlier, shopping and stuff. This corona thing is just going crazy out here, right? Look, people, look at all the shelves are empty right there. You know what I mean? It's just crazy how the shelves are empty. Well, we saw that when we went out, right? Mm-hmm. And then people fighting over toilet paper. Look,
anything like this on toilet paper in my
look,
life.
they going crazy. Look,
Now this,
fighting over toilet paper. Look.
why they banking her over
Tensions
toilet
flared
paper?
at Woolworths
Look, look.
tomorrow
She snatched it
around
out.
7 o'clock this
Did they
morning
bust it
when
open?
3
That's-
women
I don't
became
know, it's
involved in a
crazy.
toilet
Yeah,
paper
trying to
tussle.
get her toilet paper.
I just want one pack.
Look.
Oh, she wanted one
She
pack.
just said
rushed
she
to
want
aisle
one
11
pack.
to
She said she just wanted one pack. The lady had a whole thing of toilet paper. Wouldn't even give
That
her
whole
one
cart
pack.
was filled.
Yeah, look at the news guy. He's telling about how the it's packed over there over the line. And look at the lines right here.
Oh, remember what we seen earlier?
Yeah, look at that. Look what she's saying. Look what she's saying right here. About.
Just trying to find a parking spot takes nerves of steel.
Look at this.
And for some, their nerves are shot.
I'm stressed. Actually,
She's
just got
stressed
here.
out.
I was so comfy in my
It's
house.
crazy. That's
so
all
many
over the
people
country like
on
that.
edge,
Look,
dealing with this week's news
got the
of a
mask on and
coronavirus
everything.
pandemic, and now a national.
look, people are lined up all over the place. It's crazy.
I was about to say the kids fighting.
Said
The thing about it is people don't go grocery
But
shopping
wouldn't let
regularly.
Nah, they just going crazy over this, man.
And then the other
People are
thing-
wilding.
Yes, that's
They
exactly
wilding
it.
out. Look at
Like,
the
come
traffic.
on.
Look at all the traffic.
It's not like
Look
they
at this
giving
guy.
away free
6 a.m. the
food.
day before
Look what he said.
when he was first in
Because
line
the
to
girl
get in.
almost hit
People
the
were fighting
daughter.
over the line and
the
fighting inside
wife.
for toilet paper. It was insane.
Nothing to fight over here. Not only are the hand
Look at
sanitizer
it.
shelves empty, the boxes to restock empty too.
Man, it's crazy.
Wow.
You know what I mean? People stocking up. Look, they're in the rain.
But
Look at
it's not.
look at all the shells.
But it's madness. It's how much stock do you need? And that was another thing I was gonna say.
Yeah.
Why they starting to put limits on stuff? But why did they wait until it went completely bare the first 2 times?
Yeah.
To start putting a limit on how many people can get.
Yeah. See, look, 2 packages per customer. Look, he got on his gloves and his mask. He ain't playing at Costco.
Yeah. I don't blame him.
I think they fighting more at the Costco than anywhere else I've seen before.
Yeah,
Costco?
yeah.
Look at this. This
Look,
guy.
look, she got 2 carts she trying to maneuver.
Where's she at? She got. Oh
Yeah.
no, that's another one right there.
She
but-
moving somebody else's cart? What is wrong with people?
Look at the stuff they buy. Look, what do you got? Kleenex. Three giant boxes of Kleenex.
What is do Kleenex and toilet paper got money in it? We don't know
Kleenex
about?
ain't gonna stop the virus.
Or does it? Do
Look.
it turn into food?
Now they got some Ritz crackers. I ain't mad at them for that. By the way,
Whatever.
crackers, a big box of Ritz crackers. Look at all the stuff people got though. Look at that.
Look, she covering her face. She
yeah,
like, don't tell
yeah.
She like, oh, don't tell my mama.
Look, he just walking right through the line. Look,
Hey.
look at her shoes.
Look at that carts.
Yeah, look, they going ham. Look at him.
Look,
he got
he
on
got
gloves.
gloves?
He got on gloves too.
Well,
Look, what
these-
he got? So-
those all don't look. Some of them ridiculous, but not some.
Look,
of
there
them.
go the Kleenex guy right there. Look at the Kleenex guy.
Look, now that person ridiculous.
Look, what's that? Eggs? Look, he got like 100 eggs.
She gonna wash them dishes while she up in there.
Look. She cleaning her hands right now while they in line.
I don't believe it though.
Man, this is crazy, man. Look at
This
this.
is mayhem.
Look,
Oh,
they got the same
flag.
coat. They got the same coat. They tripping.
Look, she on her phone. She recording it too. She said,
Oh.
"Oh, he got 2 carts."
Yeah. Oh yeah. One in the front, one in the back. Yeah, this thing is crazy. People
She do
overreacting.
too. 2 Yes.
People overreacting, man. They overreacting,
Well,
man.
to everybody out there who was in these lines, call us up. Let us know when you get ready to cook this food so we could come over and get the hook up.
Yeah, this coronavirus is crazy, babe. I'm glad we went out. We did our thing. We got our thing.
But let's tell the truth.
Yeah.
We ain't get crazy.
Nah,
we
nah.
got our regular stuff.
We bought the stuff that we knew we were gonna use,
Regardless.
even if it wasn't a
Yeah,
virus. We
yeah.
still gonna use, not stuff that just stock up that after this is over with, we ain't gonna use.
So what you gonna remember that little joke on Facebook say everybody gonna be trying to return all this stuff at the beginning of the month to pay their rent?
Yeah.
Like this is ridiculous.
Man, it's crazy. Well, look, you guys, we did our thing. With coronavirus shopping. So make sure
y'all want to stay safe. Just stay safe.
Yeah.
That's the key.
You gotta be prepared, though. You gotta be prepared.
I mean, being prepared is different from panicking.
Yeah.
Panicking ain't helping nobody. Fighting somebody over some tissue is not helping anybody.
Not at all.
There's not money in the tissue. You can't eat the tissue. The tissue ain't gonna clean you in your house while you sick. Yeah. So just be real. Do the right thing.
Yeah, definitely. All right, you guys. That was our review of the craziness on the corona. We definitely go keep it rocking. We are prepared. Make sure you are prepared too.
The next day.
Really?
Oh.
Took the toothbrush?
Yeah, the toothpaste. Hey, you guys win. What's this called, babe? Dollar Tree. Toothpaste is gone.
It's not toothpaste, toothbrush.
Yeah. People ain't never brushed their teeth before, so now they gonna brush their teeth.
Unbelievable.
Dollar Tree, y'all. The Dollar Tree looking crazy. Man, look at the shelves, y'all. Look at the shelves in the Dollar Tree. Oh, the vitamin C. All the vitamins. Oh, this is where all the vitamins used to be at. Vitamin, empty shelf. What's that right there? Oh, look, you still got the Hall's Defense down there.
If you want that.
Hall's Defense. How much is it though? Everything in here $1?
Yes. People like that.
But look, how come people like buying the anti-itch cream? Because when they start using the newspaper for their butts, they're going to need the anti-itch cream.
Nope.
Look, we got some pink Pepto-Bismol. And look, when they foot start itching, they're going to need some athlete's foot.
Nope.
Damn, it's empty over here too. I can find it. I ain't trying to go right to it anyway. Look, you guys, empty shells. Oh, look, ice. Look, baby, remember we were saying about buying ice? 7-pound bag of ice, all the ice gone. Man, they even hit up the dog. What was over here? Bang. There, he hit up the dog out. See if I told you. Look, Frank Red Hot, they gonna put that on every trip and they ain't buying the right thing. Look. All this cleaning supply is still here. Look at all this stuff. They stacked. They buying the wrong thing. You getting it back? Look. This is what they should be buying. They want to get clean. All the cleaning stuff is still here. That's crazy.
Yeah. We won't have to waste money on this stuff once the tree leaves come back.
There you go. That's what I thought. The newspaper. Yeah.
I'm a farm boy from years ago.
Yeah. I should have got him on video, man. That'd have been video. That'd been perfect. Right, you guys. This is our second and final round. We just came back. This is actually another day. We went out and this is all the stuff we got. This is round number 2, the final round. We ready for the lockdown. We ready. We got to get a whole bunch of sugar. Definitely got to get my peppermint. We got some marshmallows for either the cocoa, the coffee, or the marshmallow cakes. Jiffy bread. Some more tea, crackers, whole bunch of butter. I love me some pork and beans with the brown sugar in it. We got some lettuce, some more Jiffy bread here, turkey sausage. We got some ground beef. We got creamer. We got blueberry mint. We gotta get some powdered milk. Make sure y'all get some dry milk. Lasts a lot longer than the regular milk. Mayonnaise, mustard. What else we got? Over here we got some bleach. We got some more stuff. Oh, okay, here we go. Hamburger bun, ketchup, jelly, more cooking oil, some more frozen peas and corn, and of course we got our masks and gloves here. We already had that. Bought some more batteries, and you know what? Y'all gonna be doing a lot more eating. So make sure your toilet stay fresh. You gotta get these put in your toilet. What else we got? What's she about here? Oh, yeah, get the awesome oxygen clean. This will help keep things clean too. We got some spray. We got the coconut spray for cooking, and that's about it. This is our haul. This is our second and final haul. So between the 3 hauls I think it was 2. Well, boom, we are ready. Coronavirus, we are ready. Make sure you guys are stocked up like this. Get ready for the onslaught. Ready. Don't even think about coming over here though. Oh man. We'd like to thank you guys for watching our videos. We all set for this corona thing. Please make sure you like and subscribe. Hit the bell for notifications. Bet you think we got everything we need?
Yeah, we need y'all to comment below.
Please
That
comment.
is going to help us in this good season here.
And you know we're going to be stuck in here for 4 weeks to 8 weeks. So we're going to be seeing who like and subscribe. And hopefully we'll see you guys on the next video. Peace.